I think we have a shot at being in production for version 1 of Optimus, hopefully next year.
All we've been hearing about lately is how impressive the Tesla Optimus is going to be. But to date, we've yet to see this in real-life action. Well, that just changed. Elon Musk just dropped another bomb, and I think we are about to get one step closer to seeing firsthand what the Tesla Optimus will be able to do. With so much buzz around its potential, people are eager to see if Optimus will truly redefine automation as promised. And now, Musk is giving the public a rare opportunity to see the Tesla Optimus firsthand. But is Optimus everything it's hyped up to be? Will it change the future of robotics as we know it? And what does this move mean for Tesla's grand vision? Here's what we know. So here's the scoop. Tesla has recently made headlines by offering jobs that pay up to $48 per hour to individuals willing to help train their AI-powered humanoid robots. This comes on the heels of Elon Musk's bold statement on his X account that Tesla is not merely an automobile company as many assume. Despite cutting-edge vehicles like the Cybertruck, Musk asserts that Tesla is fundamentally a robotics company, with the vehicles simply paying the bills until their robots become advanced enough. According to job listings on LinkedIn, Indeed, and Tesla's own website, Tesla is hiring data collection operators to gather movement data and provide feedback on the Optimus robots. These operators will wear motion capture suits and virtual reality headsets to simulate the robot's movements and actions. The job requires applicants to walk for over 7 hours a day, with specific height requirements of between 5'7" and 5'11" to operate the suits. The pay ranges from $25.25 to $48 per hour, offering a unique chance to be part of this futuristic development. But let's not forget, Musk has been incredibly bullish on the impact Optimus could have on Tesla's operations. He's confident these robots could propel Tesla to a $25 trillion valuation, over 36 times its current $692.94 billion valuation, and more than 7 times Apple's $3.41 trillion market cap. Musk even envisions the eventual production of over 20 billion units, arguing that the planet's 8 billion people will want this product, alongside the growing industrial demand. However, with such ambitious claims, shouldn't we be seeing more of Optimus's capabilities by now? Elon Musk is known for his grand promises, but he doesn't always deliver as expected. One recent moment that has left many questioning whether the Tesla Optimus robot is all it's cracked up to be happened at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai. At this event, several robotics companies showcased what their robots could do beyond what we see on screens. But while the Optimus robot was present at the conference, it was conspicuously missing in action. So where was it? Locked up in a glass box, away from all the action. This raises serious questions about whether Tesla's Optimus is capable of everything that has been portrayed in social media videos by the company. Is this robot truly ready for prime time, or is it still far from living up to the hype? The absence of Optimus from active demonstrations has only fueled concerns about its development. While other robots were showcasing their capabilities in dynamic ways, Optimus's stillness has made some wonder if Tesla is struggling to make the robot as versatile and autonomous as envisioned. Now, even though there's some skepticism, one thing's for sure: work is definitely in progress, especially with these job offerings from Elon Musk. Imagine being part of the team that's shaping the future of humanoid robots like Optimus. Wouldn't that be phenomenal? What do you think? Would you be up for the challenge of training one of these futuristic machines? This position isn't just another job. It's a golden opportunity to get a first-hand look at the development process of Tesla's most ambitious project yet. As we mentioned earlier, the job requires workers to be on their feet, walking for over 7 hours a day. That alone gives us a clue about the level of physical endurance needed to help bring Optimus to life. So, what are your thoughts? Could you see yourself stepping into one of those motion capture suits and being part of this groundbreaking journey? Would you take the chance to contribute to something that could change the world? But then comes the big question. Why is Elon Musk hiring so many people to train Optimus? Sure, it could be that he's really trying to deliver on his promise to start mass-producing these robots as early as next year, aiming to sell them to other companies by 2026. To make that happen, Optimus has to be advanced and ready for commercial use, so it makes sense that he's investing heavily in its training. However, there's more to consider here. Understanding the purpose of the Optimus robots might give us a clearer picture of why their training is so crucial. In May, videos surfaced on Tesla's media pages showing dozens of teleoperations workers wearing motion capture suits and VR equipment, standing side by side with Optimus bots. In these videos, you can see workers mimicking slow mechanical movements like lifting and placing items, while the Optimus bots replicate those motions with real objects in front of them. In the same space, the robots are also practicing walking and performing tasks like folding laundry without any human assistance. This brings us back to the original goal Tesla announced for the Optimus project in 2021: to use these robots for factory tasks that are unsafe, repetitive, or boring. This initiative fits right into the broader industry trend of investing in automation, which was accelerated by labor shortages during the pandemic. And the numbers don't lie. According to Western Ecker Consulting, only 10% of warehouses reported using significant automation technology back in 2016. But McKinsey data shows that robot shipments are expected to grow by up to 50% each year until 2030. Clearly, the industry is moving in this direction, but Tesla's automation efforts haven't quite hit the mark yet. However, Tesla hopes that Optimus will not only optimize its own operations, but also set a new standard in industrial automation. But let's make it clear here that competition in the field of task automating robots is really fierce, with companies like Figure, backed by tech heavyweights such as Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Jeff Bezos, making significant strides. For Tesla to maintain its edge in this, it will need to constantly update Optimus and introduce new prototypes that can keep up with or surpass the competition. Like many of Musk's ambitious projects, the timeline for Optimus has so far overpromised and underdelivered. In 2022, Musk hinted that production could start as early as 2023, but the reality has been slower to materialize. When the 2022 Bumble C prototype of Optimus was unveiled, it left many roboticists disappointed, finding it largely underwhelming. That said, progress is being made. The most recent iteration of the Optimus robot managed to perform its first autonomous task, handling batteries at one of Tesla's facilities, according to Tesla's 2024 second quarter earnings. So, what do you think? Does this mean Optimus is finally on the right track, or are we still looking at another overhyped promise? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear: Elon Musk's commitment to training and development is a significant step toward realizing that goal. So what exactly do we know the Optimus robots can do? Tesla has shown clips of Optimus doing various tasks like walking, lifting, and even folding laundry. But what really stands out are the technical aspects of this robot, especially its hand, which is designed to mimic human movements with impressive precision. Cable-driven robotic hand. Optimus features a cable-driven hand that closely replicates the dexterity of a human hand. Instead of using a separate motor for each joint, this hand uses just 6 actuators, 2 for the thumb and 1 for each of the 4 fingers. This setup reduces complexity, but still allows for smooth, natural movement. The cables are routed through the finger bones in a way that enhances force transmission, allowing the fingers to move more like a human's. Impressive, isn't it? The hand also includes torsion springs for joint stability, magnetic position sensors for precise tracking, and a modular design for scalability. This means that the same mechanical principles could be used to create different types of robotic hands, making it versatile for various tasks that need fine motor skills. Real-world capabilities. Tesla has demonstrated Optimus performing tasks autonomously, such as walking and manipulating objects with its robotic hand. The AI behind this robot, likely building on Tesla's self-driving technology, enables it to perceive its environment, make decisions, and carry out actions in real time.
If you want to have a humanoid robot that can do things that a human can do, it's a very high bar. So our new arm has 22 degrees of freedom instead of 11, and has the, like I said, the actuators in the forearm.
The hand's 22 degrees of freedom give it a wide range of motion, which is crucial for performing tasks that require both precision and strength, like folding laundry, something it can do with near-human finesse. While many are excited about Optimus, there's still some doubt about whether it can consistently perform these tasks in various settings. But the technical innovations, particularly in the hand, suggest that Tesla is making serious progress in creating a robot that can handle complex tasks autonomously. But here's a question for you. What are your thoughts on Tesla's offer to hire people to train Optimus? Do you find it exciting to be part of such a groundbreaking project? And how do you feel about the potential impact of Optimus on industries and society? Drop some thoughts in the comments section. Haven't seen our video where we discuss everything you need to know about why the Optimus robot was missing in action during the World Artificial Intelligence Conference? Then you definitely need to check this out.